Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So we're finally wrapping up the holidays, and I know I did like a Valentine's DIY, but we're gonna reel it back and just get to like normal DIYs. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY Dollar Tree Farmhouse decor, and I'm gonna be doing a two-tiered tray, sort of, and then I'm also gonna show you guys how I kind of recycled some of those things to make extra decor. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. One other thing before I get on to the DIY, I do want to let you guys know that the giveaway is still open. We're gonna close it effective January 1st. So January 1st, no more entries. My goal for 2019 was to hit 100,000 subscribers, and we were this close, this close. This close. So we still have about 9 days left. I'm still crossing my fingers hoping that we'll get there, but if we don't, it's okay. We always have January. So in that giveaway, I'm gonna choose 5 winners. The first winner is gonna get a Dollar Tree gift card, a wood burning tool, my very favorite glue gun, and then also a pack of giant glue sticks. Second winner will get all of the above minus the wood burning tool, and then the 3 other winners will get a Dollar Tree goodie box. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, and in the comments down below say 100K, we on our way. I will announce the winner probably the first week of January, so you guys still have time. Simple rules, that's it. Let's get on to the DIY.
For this, I'll be using 4 of these wooden knobs, and you can buy these at Walmart, I think. I just have them in my stockpile. 2 of these Dollar Tree baskets, whatever color, it could be the black or the white. They're going to be painted anyways, and then 1 of these plastic trays, also a plunger handle, and some zip ties. I'm going to melt a hole in the center of this tray using the metal tip of my glue gun. As you can see, it's been used for that quite a bit, and it's actually one of my favorite ways to do it. But I also like using my wood burning tool because it's a lot hotter and it melts a lot faster. These are 2 of the tools that I'm going to be giving away in my giveaway, so make sure you guys pay attention to those rules, okay? I'm going to snip a couple of the wires on this wire basket, and I'm just going to push them through the inside to make the hole big enough for the plunger to go through, or the plunger handle to go through.
I let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel.
And then taking a zip tie, I'm going to go ahead and zip it around the handle, and it's going to go over the little pieces of wire that I pushed up to begin with, just to give it a little extra hold, and I'm going to do that for both baskets. So now at the bottom of the second basket, I'm going to do a zip tie on there also, just so it doesn't slide down. I would not recommend putting anything too heavy on this top basket because you can see it's not, super firm, and then just gluing the 4th knob to the top of that handle, and I am gonna spray paint this silver, the entire thing, and then I'm also using this Walmart jute twine and wrapping it around that part of the handle so you don't see the little ribs showing. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree mirrors and then also another one of those baskets. I did take off the top part and also the bottom. And also, I will be using some thickers. Again, they are thick, but they are stickers. I got these at Tuesday morning. And then taking that piece of wire, I'm just going to stretch it out the best that I can just to give me the most for my buck, and just cutting off the excess pieces right at the top. Be really careful when you're doing this. I wasn't careful, and I'll show you what happened. So once I cut off my section, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue it on there, and I'm going to do 2 sections on there to cover the frame.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene?
I spray painted the frame with a mixture of gold and silver, but the wire was just the silver.
Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry?
So for this last one, I took the bottom of that basket I just used and I'm trimming those sharp pieces at the end. I wasn't paying attention and I literally like jabbed myself with one of them and it sliced my finger. That's my third Band-Aid in like a minute. So it was pretty gushy. So that's what I'm saying, you guys. Be really, really careful when you're doing something like this. I did spray paint it silver and I'm just wrapping it with some of that Walmart jute twine as well. And then also going to be using some of those thickers.
Feel like you were happy for a while. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? And didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for?
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones that healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better, so much better.
Thank you guys so much for joining me. It really means the world to me. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas, an amazing holiday, and that's it. I will see you guys on the next one, but in the meantime, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Leave me your comments down below. 100K, we on our way. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.